they finally got it to run. You'll notice that all four CPUs are within a degree or two of each other. I did that by using the fan cover I put on the website. I probably should have not knocked this one out and knocked this one out instead, but it seems to be working perfect. You have to knock out this row. Okay, you have to knock out a piece over here, knock out this rib, and should be able to clear RAM. But your RAM's populated on the inside anyway. So the RAM's populated inside there, outside there. This is the H8QM3. Now if I pull the cover off without busting the machine, you will notice, really hard to see, you will notice I had to mill about 100 thousandths of clearance to clear the capacitors. See how close it is to the capacitors? About 4 inches right there. Normally a flat 2U fan will actually hit the capacitors. So like I said, I had to mill in about a quarter inch and up about 100 thousandths, and that cleared everything. And with you'll see once I take the duct off, notice how those back two start to get hot. Probably I'll do a little better with a cover on, but it seemed to be pretty stable with just a shield on it.